Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube video by Trace by UC. Today, I want to talk about time frame. So, time frame. I feel this is the most important thing when it comes to ICC. Just picking the time frame that at least three time frame that should I say that flow with each other. You understand? For example, now let's say we see our buy ICC on a daily time frame. We want to see 4 hour time frame turn to buy. Want to see 1 hour time frame turn to buy. I think if I feel with those two time frame join hands with the bigger time frame, which is daily time frame in this explanation that I'm trying to make, I feel there's enough confidence for you to say, okay, I think this price is ready to buy at this particular time. So that aside, again, 4 hour, 1 hour, 50 minutes. But as we dive deeper into the video, I will break it down and make sure you understand. So what is time frame? Time frame is this 5 minutes, 15 minutes. This time that you're seeing here, this 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. So these are the time frame. If you open it, you see the 1 minute, 2 minutes. So what does it mean for a 5 minutes time frame? Let's see now. A 5 minute time frame simply means that price. What was the time now? Time is currently 2:28. So it means around 2:30, okay, 38, 2:30. Sorry, around 3:30. Time is 3:38 now, sorry. It means around 3:30, this candle that's currently forming now. This candle that's currently forming now will close and a new one will open. You get, so each like 5 minutes. So if you're on a 5 minute time frame, you know that a new candlestick will form after every 5 minutes. The same thing with our 15 minutes time frame. So currently now time is 3:28. So if it's 15 minutes, we know that every 15 minutes. So once it's 3:30 now, which is the duration of 15 minutes after after a previous 15 minutes, because in 30 minutes we have 15 minutes. 15 minutes candlestick will appear 2 times, which is for 30 minutes time frame now. Because time is 3:29 now. So once it's 3:30, new candlestick for 30 minutes will form. The same thing for 15 minutes. So that's just how time frame works. The same thing for 1 hour. Time is 3:29 now. Once it's 4 o'clock, a new time frame, a new candlestick will be formed. So that's basically what time frame is. So that type is thing at hand. So we're talking about time frame. Now, the question I've been wanting you guys to ask me on my Telegram channel, because I'm not getting that feedback. But with other person that's seen this video and you're struggling, can ask question. I'll make a video for you to make sure you understand. So now, what time frame do I use? I have two sets of patterns when it comes to trading ICC and the time frame that I use. I use the daily, the 4 hour, which is, let me use H4 exactly the way it is here. No, it's 4 issue. 4 hour and the 1 hour, 1 ish, yes, 1 ish. So these are the time. This is the time frame that I use. I will break it down, don't worry. So this is one pattern. And then we have another pattern. I hope this thing is big enough for you guys to see. Let me make it look 20. I said 20. Yeah, I think it's clear now. Then I have the 4H, 1H, and the M15. It's bigger than this one. Why do I feel something bigger than this one? Because it's the same thing. So these are the patterns that I use when it comes to trading. So to help yourself, if you're a day trader, stick to this 4-ish, 1-ish, M15. Then if you want to like swing a little, rotate for like 2 to 3 days, you can use this pattern. But for a day trade, for day trading now, let's use a 4-ish, 1-ish, and then 15. So this is what you do. You go to your time frame. You make sure you pick only this time frame that you're seeing. So for this case now, okay, I'll bring it back, Sean. 4 hour, 1 hour. We don't need 30 minutes. We don't need 5 minutes. We only need this Saturday. Okay, we don't need daily. Why is daily not showing now? Okay, because time is there. I wonder how this thing will not look like. Okay, well, so the daily is here. The daily is here. The daily is here. Because this is what we got all this time frame stuff. I hope you guys can see it very well. That time frame that we use. Yes. Now, we're using 4 hour, 1 hour, 15. This daily time frame, I don't know why it's refusing to leave this place. But let's go to 4 hour first of all. Let's see if it will leave. I think this is it. So okay, it's even showing yourself. You can see it. This is it. 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes. This is 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes. This is what will be. So let's go to the chart now. Let's go to the chart. Now, what does it mean? For this, okay, the trade I'm currently on is daily 4 hour, 1 hour. I'm just trying to use this 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes and look for a trade for you guys. So let's go. I think VIX 10 or VIX 75. I think I saw something on VIX 75 earlier. Yeah, this is it. And when you zoom in, obviously it's clear enough. When you zoom in now, you notice that price did something like this here. High, low, high, low. This is sweep of liquidity, this push. Now, this first one is not really that much, but I believe if we break it down, you still understand. But for this case now, let's use this push. Price broke this high here. So it will be something like this. High, higher low. This load, we're buying this one back up. I hope this is clear. So now, if we're buying this, if we're observing this correction and this continuation, because this push that we're buying back, and some places might hold it back up to this place, but if you're a swing trade, like I said, you can hold the trade a little bit more until you see a new high, then price side doing this pullback, then maybe exit the trade. Because if pricing is in an uptrend, price will continue to work by. So, but for me, you can maybe hold it to price from this new high. I think from here to here is a good trade. This 4 hour time frame. So if you're seeing this move, this is a very nice one. By the way, I didn't see this on time. I saw it after our price form, so stay with me. So this is a new high. Yeah, maybe. So this is a new high. After price broke this blue line, this is new high that price formed. So me seeing this, let's assume that we've not seen this place now. Let's assume we've not seen this place, this push that price made now. Let's just assume. Now, on my 4 hour time frame, another price gave me an indication from year to year that price is going to buy. So when I see price come above this blue line, no, this should be this one now, because this is high, low, boom. So this one pushed the price. So once I see price above 5709, I'm ready to buy, because that's my buy zone. Anything below that, I'm not taking the trade. So now we want to see what did price do before price got to 5709. You go down to the 1 hour time frame. You observe. Market has to give you a print structure for you while going up or while coming down for the correction. So since this is a buy trade, we want the correction to sell. So now, after price gave us this high, what did price do? give us a lower low, give us a low, and give us a high. So we'll call this one lower high because it's lower than this one. So high, the price push. Now, if we are to wait for price to like continue this buy, price has to break this. Price didn't give us. Let me go ahead and do this one now. Price didn't give us any lower high, so we just have just this one. So this is what's. So we have to make use of what price has given us. So if not, if price has given us more lower high then lower low, lower high then lower low, would have said, okay, this is sorry, this is where price needs to break for us to know that price is willing to turn back to the buy move. So price did not do that. He gave us only this one. So this is our move. Now, immediately price go to this point. He stopped giving us a lower low. Price gave us a high and gave us higher, lower high, because this low is higher than this one. So that's something you should pay attention to. Price gave us a lower low on the 1 hour time frame. Notice how I'm observing my pullback or the correction. For ICC, we call it correction. Now, price gave us a higher low here, and gave us this was a high, gave us a high. Because if price give you price gives you a lower a higher high, so, a higher low, sorry, so it'll give you a higher high. But price give us a high, far say and high. Sorry for that. So now remember, price has to break this place now. Price give us an equal low here. Price has to break this point. Remember, price has to break this point for us to know that price has turned back to buy. Now price pushed and it gave us a higher high. Notice how price closed above this place, closed above this consolidation, like because this zone now we can see that price consolidated for a while before price made this up movement. But that's not what I explained to they were explaining time frame. So now price pushing up, giving us a new high. We know that we can immediately enter our buy here. Why is this not coming up now? Can we enter our buy here and put our stop loss below here? You get, you can immediately enter. This was what I was doing before. Now maybe target 1 to 2, 1 to 4, whatever. Make sure you are easy. This was what I usually do, but in most cases, after price, after price get to this point, price might still like come back and continue this lower high stuff. You cannot predict price. You can only do, well, you can only follow price. What price is giving you, that's what you that's what you do. That's what you follow. And if you do that, you will be profitable, should I say 8 or 9 out of 10 times. So now I've seen this push now, this new high. You get, so price has given me an indication on the 1 hour time frame. Take note of what I'm saying now. Remember, on the 4 hour time frame, we got an indication. In the 1 hour time frame now, which is where we're checking our pullback, our correction, we got another indication. Remember, I said 4 hour, 1 hour, 50 minutes. This is where the 50 minutes will not come to play now. Chop down to your 50 minutes. After price gives us this indication. If you see this thing like on your chart, trust me, price will actually move, unless I don't know, but this should work for you. Trust me, this should work for you. So now price gave us this indication. Remember, this is indication here. The same thing we saw on 4 hour and 1 hour time frame. We want to see on the 15 minutes time frame. Now price has already given us an indication on the 1 hour time frame. And what the price do after that? You can see this is the push. This is the push. Price drop. Price gives price made a lower a high, but it's lower than this one. So we can call this one a lower high, but price fails to give us a lower low. So you can see price gives us a higher low and higher high. Now we can decide to take this trade here. or wait for this pullback, this candlestick, to see if price will close, come below this zone. But as you can see, price fails to come below, so you can maybe take your trade after the close of this high here, this high. After price close above this high, you can maybe take your trade here. Now you have full confirmation that price is, and you can try to put your stop loss somewhere here, or the original point where our price pushed from, just to have some space in case price want to like grab some liquidity before moving up. So this is the time frame that I use for my ICC buy or sell. As you can see, price push from there, and since then price kept on pushing. I see price is still pushing now. So let's use it on time sharp, but how's that by the way? So you can imagine this trade now. Just imagine this trade. Just imagine this trade. So nice one. So this is it. 4 hour. Where is it again, Seth? Where is that right up? Where is that right up? Come on, I don't know something. Where are those right up? Right up don't lose. Right up don't lose. But anyways, we shall understand what I just explained. I'm trying to look for this right up. Okay, so on this other chart. I just remember now. What chart is that? Is it VIX 25? Should be VIX 25 now. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. So 4 hour, 1 hour, and 15 minutes time frame for daily time for the day trade. So, but for a swing, if you want to like swing a little, okay, this is a nice trade actually. Bro. This is not a daily time frame trade. But I'm seeing this push, low, high, low, this all of that. No, this is not it. This is not it. Okay, I've not done this before, but let's just see if this should work or this will work. Before now, price was giving us, I hope this is clear enough. High, high, low, high, boom, indication here. So remember how to identify the part that price from. So this is it. Now I have to wait for the pullback and the continuation. So this is a daily time frame trade. You have to follow. Remember I said daily for 1 hour. You have to see what price has to give you your formation. If not, don't take this trade. I'm not saying any formation here, so if it was me, I would have take that trade. I would have taken that trade. So I'm not seeing anything here. I'm not seeing anything here. Nothing. But I don't see this push all the way. I feel there's a higher time frame that's pushing this price down. I feel there's a higher time frame. Yeah, the higher time frame. So that's that. See you guys next video. Peace and love.